Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the TV online and ready. Connect the Videocon to your home Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet, then confirm the model supports apps. Once done, navigate to the TV's settings to verify network status and update system software if prompted. Make sure you have your phone or the TV remote nearby. You'll use one of those to sign into YouTube or to cast. This immediate setup prevents interruptions and lets you move straight into installing or launching the app. You now install or open YouTube on the Videocon. Go to the TV's App Store, search for YouTube, and install the official app. If it's pre-installed, launch it. If the app isn't available, plug in a Chromecast or compatible HDMI streaming stick and set that up instead. Next, sign into your Google account using the on-screen pairing code or the phone-based sign in Flow. Make sure to allow permissions for recommendations and search, so the app behaves like your phone or PC. You're ready to play videos. Browse on the TV with the remote or open YouTube on your phone and tap the cast icon to send content to the Videocon. Once playback starts, make sure audio and captions are set as you prefer. If buffering happens, drop playback quality to 480p or 720p in the video settings. If the app fails to load or pairing won't complete, restart the TV and power cycle the router. Then re-enter your Wi-Fi password. This simple reset fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.